Xinxiang Chanling Metal Products Co. Ltd. is located in Xinxiang High-Tech Development Zone, Hainan Province. Covers about 3.3 acres. Convenient transportation. Set design, development, research and development of tailless thread insert, wire thread insert, keysert, self-tapping thread insert, timesert, taper thread insert, and professional tools as one of the professional enterprises. The company was founded in 2005, passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification in 2009, the export trade scale in 2012, successfully declared the Canton Fair in 2014. Independent research and development of special CNC equipment. Established the tailless thread insert as the research and development goal. In 2016, the brand Delisert was established and registered. The tailless thread insert CNC prototype design successfully obtained a number of patents in the field of thread insert in 2019. Successfully registered the brand Tailless in 2020. Obtained 15 patents. Obtained the High-Tech Enterprise Certificate in 2020. Won the title of Science and Technology Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises. Obtained the 16949 Quality Management System certification in 2020 to obtain 10 patents. Expanded the brand internationalization in 2023. The global layout of agents. Service military enterprises. Won the title of Xinxiang City Special High-Weather Steel Wire Sheath Engineering Research Center. The company, as a domestic industry leader, has an independent R&D department and excellent technical production team. The company's main products are tailless thread insert, wire thread insert, keysert, self-tapping thread insert, taper thread insert, box series, 2 series, of which tailless thread insert products have obtained a number of national patents. Products are widely used in weapons, engines, aircraft instrumentation, aerospace, and other fields. Business expansion in more than 40 countries around the world. Our products are well received by new and old customers. The company has 3 production workshops on the production side. Wire rolling area. A total of 10 CNC production equipment, high-end wire rolling equipment, molding wire size control within 3 mm, with tail thread insert production line, 50 CNC production equipment, tailless thread insert production line, 40 CNC production equipment. The company's quality testing center uses a variety of advanced instruments to ensure quality control. The German Opticon profile meter, accuracy 0.5 micron, resolution 1 nanometer, vision universal tool microscope, ensure tooling accuracy, quadratic measuring instrument, accurate plane measurement, detection of molding wire cross-section size, pencil testing machine, displacement resolution 0.1 mm to ensure the accuracy of raw materials, L-system CCT visual inspection separator, 100% screening of tailless thread insert. Each batch of installation test to ensure the installation effect.